Today we're going to be discussing what an audit trail is. My name is Barry Doyle. I'm a lawyer in Skokie practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work throughout the state of Illinois. I'm also the author of Built to Fail, a free report available for download from my website, which spells out how the nursing home business model inevitably produces unnecessary injuries and deaths for nursing home residents. Almost all nursing homes these days operate off of an electronic medical record system. One of the lesser known features of the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, is that it provided an enormous amount of money for hospitals, doctors, and other healthcare institutions to convert over to electronic medical records. The thought behind this is that it would reduce medical errors, increase the effectiveness of communications between healthcare providers, and give patients better access to their own healthcare information. Because the federal government was providing all of this money to healthcare institutions to upgrade to electronic medical record systems, they also set a series of standards that the electronic medical record systems had to meet in order to qualify to get this federal money. One of those standards was that the system had to create an audit trail. And what an audit trail is it's a internal record from the system which records anytime somebody logs into a patient's chart, what they do when they're in the patient's chart. So for example, an audit trail would show that a particular healthcare provider generated a note, or that they got into the patient's chart and reviewed particular chart entries. It would also record whether or not a note was changed. In our line of work, the audit trail is important because it helps show what the actions of nursing home staff were during crucial times of the patient's care, and it also helps us establish whether a note has been changed or altered or falsified in some way. So one of the steps that we take early on in the lawsuit is to obtain a copy of the audit trail for the resident's chart, and that way we are able to use that information to verify activities of the staff with regard to the resident's medical chart. And this can become a powerful piece of proof in the prosecution of a nursing home abuse and neglect lawsuit. I hope you found this interesting. If you have any questions regarding this or any other nursing home abuse and neglect issue, please feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 312-263-1080, or we can be reached on the internet at www.accidentlawillinois.com. Thank you very much.